Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Mercy back for another episode, and today we're gonna go over the gold chart. I'm seeing something very interesting and I want to share that with you today. And we're gonna go over my Elliott Wave count and figure out possible targets for gold. And now want to show you this very important pattern, which is a cup and handle right there that had started in September 2011. And now we're gonna go over this pattern and put a poll in place to try to figure out possible targets for this, because it is a bullish pattern. And let's put in place this neckline, very important. This was resistance here, rejected 3 times, and it became support right here, which, you know, this zone is my neckline. We can see that it was retest and confirm as a support. This zone in between 1771 is a strong support. Also, we can see that we just broke a very important resistance line, which was 1898. We just passed over this Twizzler top right here, which means now not much resistance ahead in front of us, which is opening a lot of doors for a breakout for gold. All right. To create a pole, we're gonna place this at the ultimate bottom of the pattern, and we're gonna come and bring this pole at the neckline. We're gonna copy this and bring this right there. Let's go. And just want to show you, I was in logarithmic mode, but we're gonna come back here in normal mode. This way we can have precise possible targets, which is around 2494 right here. All right. Also, we have this bull flag. Also, this is a bull flag right here, and we can place our pole and try to figure out, you know, if they are correlating very close to correlate right here in 2500, you know, 2565. Very nice target possible for the next push on the upper side for gold. Now, very important thing to figure out, because we want gold to take some strength. Now, very good news on the monthly chart. The RSI just broke the moving average 14 resistance, and the KDJ is green. Now, what I want to see to even take more momentum in, because very important, you can see here we are having also a W pattern. And this is the neckline of this W pattern. If we can break this neckline and confirm this neckline as a support. Oh, this is black, I think. Sorry. Okay, right here, if we can, you know, come here and confirm this neckline resistance as new support, this will even bring more momentum. Also, we have to watch on the 2 months this possible breakout right here of the RSI that is about to break the moving average 14 resistance. And look at the KDJ. KDJ is very close to break, to turn green, sorry. All right. Cup and handle here. Very nice. Big time for gold, and potentially a nice breakout to new highs for gold. I'm gonna show you this next chart, which is an Elliott Wave chart. And before, if you want to subscribe to the house, pronunciation is important. You will have access to this live chart, which include a lot of cryptocurrencies, the SPX, the S&P 500, NASDAQ chart, silver, and you can follow this with all of us. My subscribers have all access to those chart and they can follow them. Right here is my sub count. Very cool. Gold. Now I'm inside the logarithmic chart, but I want to show you gold is inside a super cycle wave tree, is about to possibly break out in an intermediate wave tree of this super cycle wave tree right there. And this has been forming since 2011, and very nice to see 2011 right here, September, and the top of wave 1, 1980, bottom of wave 2 in September 1999. All right, now we are about to go in a super cycle, inside a wave tree of this super cycle wave tree that can be very strong. If I'm coming back on inside the logarithmic chart, I want to show fib circle right there. Let's take the snap right here from top of wave 1 to bottom of wave 2. We have potentially a nice target of 4,411 for this wave 3 here. This is what we can anticipate. It can be something, something like this, and with a truncated wave 5, something, it's possible. It's possible. Very strong wave 1 and 2, but we are inside the logarithmic chart. Now, if we are just looking at this potential confirmation, look at this. Fib circle is telling us that we can probably, reach those new highs inside the super cycle wave tree, but this can take a lot of time. We are just, trying to get out of this wave 2 and confirm a wave 3. Now, what can confirm potentially an intermediate wave 3 of this super cycle wave 3 for me is to break the 1.23 fib. I'm gonna get out of this logarithmic, and let's bring the fibs flat B exact. And for me, breaking out, we can cheat a little bit, just like Bitcoin did. Let's cheat a little bit and let's go. For me, if gold can break out 2,120, this would be a confirmation that we are now ready for this intermediate wave 3 of this super cycle wave 3 for gold. This cup and handle is, forming since 2011, since 10 years now, more than 10 years. And, by going over this line, this would be me personally a confirmation, and technically confirmation that we are ready to go much higher. But now very important to try to figure out, with Elliott waves, is this possible that we would be inside a B wave trap for gold? All right, we need to figure out this. Now this wave 2, to be able to confirm that this wave 2 is over, we would need to have a WXY or an ABC. And this is what I'm gonna go over probably in the next episode. I can deep dive inside this here to figure out if this is possibly I'm gonna have to go in a lower time frame to try to figure out if this is an impulse, an ABC, or a WXY. Now anyway, very important pattern Right now, overall, this is a bullish pattern, a cup and handle. We will see how the RSI will react. If the RSI, if the price of gold is making a new higher high, and come test this 123, and we close a candle, a 2 months candle or a monthly candle with a bearish divergence, it would be automatically telling us that this is a trap. All right, for now it is too early because the price is far from the last higher high, which was 2072, something like this, and we are only at 1900, and we will see how the RSI will move here. I would like on the monthly chart that the RSI can, you know, be able to create a new higher high right here, just like Bitcoin. And I'm gonna show you, can load a Bitcoin chart, the BLX. Just like Bitcoin did right here, and I'm gonna bring the RSI on the table. Bitcoin created a new higher high here, but look, the RSI on the monthly chart, you know, create a lower high, which is, you know, technically a bearish divergence, a strong bearish divergence. Also, we can see that on other indicators like momentum and the MACD, same thing happened, which, you know, was a false breakout after this candle, and we had a shooting star with a tweezer top after this. Which was very dangerous. Now, for me and my subscribers, this was something to watch, very important, because, you know, after a shooting star and the candle closed at 56,945 for BTC, if this candle was going to close under that, okay, because you know, shooting star are reversal warning, but you need to have a confirmation on the next candle. And now at the moment we created a new lower low under 53.5. I told to my subscribers, you know, get out, we are going lower. And this tweezer top, you know, for sure was a reversal point and a reversal call. When this candle closed here, it was a big warning, just like I told everyone right here that this was a very, very sweet warning from the market makers. If we are going inside the weekly chart, those were bearish divergence right here. I'm gonna use for you the purple, and you can see the RSI is not able to create an higher high, but the price created an higher high. This is what we call a bearish divergence class A. Also, another warning right here, look at this, the RSI is still going down, but the price is going up. And 3 warning happen, you know, in a row. Look at this, RSI was around here. 3 strong bearish divergence class A on the weekly chart in a row, and this monthly tweezer top was a big call right here. You know, very, very significant tweezer top, and it started on the 2 weeks by creating, you know, 3 tweezer top in a row. All right, for gold, what is the situation right here if we are making a copy and we want to figure out the situation by reading the candles? We're going to use the 2 months. Okay, now here was a tweezer bottom right there we had in last March. We created another tweezer top right here, reversal, here tweezer bottom, and since we are breaking out, and for sure this is gonna be a resistance to watch, and I'm gonna use the magnet at 1 1967.24, gold will meet resistance. And now just breaking out from that resistance, now new support is 1897.90, which this resistance is something that we're gonna have to watch. Also, we have the 1.23 fib that can be, a possible B wave top, but I'm gonna go over Elliott Wave a little bit much deeper for the next episode. We will go deeper about this possible pattern. But now, overall, this is a bullish pattern right here that we can see. Cup and handle are bullish pattern. Let me know inside the comments if you would like me to go over silver. The silver chart, I think it is pretty interesting. I invested in silver when silver was around $14, and I'm seeing potentially a lot of upside for silver during the next year. We hope you like, and to figure out potential targets, we can right here replicate this on the 2 months chart. This is a bull flag pattern, and if we bring the pole, we have potentially this bull flag that can reach around 2,553. This would be a big push on the upside with the this is the first stop that we can have around 2,247, which is the first pole target. Also, we are having this one right here on the 2M chart. Sorry, right there. 2,471. If we are coming back inside this chart, very, very important. Like I just, I don't remember if I show you that before, because I just remade this video because my sound was not working. Just want to show you the fib circle and be precise. From this top of wave 1 to bottom of wave 2, we are getting 4,246 in that region, and this was reconfirmed right here, right there, by this wave 1 and wave 2 bottom. If we are getting out of this logarithmic chart, I'm just gonna keep this old chart save. All right, and we would like to see the non-log fib circle target potentially. We are getting $3,000 right there, and from this wave 1 to this wave 2, we are getting 2,500. 2,500 seems to be potentially a possible target that we can reach during this year, if we can break out for sure and have the RSI with us. We're gonna follow that closely. Hope you like. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to join us on the HAL. You go on crypto-mercy.com and you go under shop, and you can take a look at those in those membership. This will give you access. The all is the basic one, and it will give you access to the HAL Telegram channel, my personal feed, main feed, where I post video almost every week and day. And also you're gonna have access to the HAL community, and also you're gonna have access to the HAL NFT group, and many things educational videos, charts that I'm posting. You're gonna have access to all this. I think it can be a life-changing opportunity for you for only $75 per month. Leave me a comment. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate your support and your comments. Thumbs up, and much love and peace. Bye.
Oh.